Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you are now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I've found a new video of Beanie in here. Actually, this is 4 weeks ago. They're actually having a talk with Metro.style. So this is called Metro Talks with hashtag Beanie. And this is actually their exclusive interview with the Nation's Girl Group. So I'm gonna be watching it today. Let's go, guys. Wow. Gaganda, oh. Pagkaganda naman. Wow. Okay. How do you how do you unwind between commitments? Okay?
Bilang na bilang din talaga yung rest day po na meron kami sa isang month. Pero
Wow. Hindi naman yan red, no? Pero grabe yung lips nila, no? Ha, very stylish talaga.
always make sure naman na to take small breaks, di ba? Yung small breaks na sinasabi namin, siguro panonood lang ng mga favorite shows namin, doon kami nakaka-unwind kahit papano. And
Parang si Stacy, hindi naman ganun yung ka-dark yung lips niya. Parang pinkish pa rin. Love talaga niya yung pink, di ba?
my
Anyways.
rest day, it's either tulog talaga or gala with friends, with family.
Okay.
My realization.
So they're being questioned one by one with different questions. So yung question kay Joanna was, paano i-unwind between commitments? So napaka-busy na schedules nila. So Joanna would go to, hang out with her family, of course. Yun din yung natutunan ko when she was interviewed with, Bernadette Zambrano eh. Family talaga yung tinatakbuhan niya, which is good. What are your realizations on your journey from being Star Hunt Academy girls to Beanie? Okay.
Feeling ko po syempre super laki na nagbago with us, like compared dun
Ang kaganda talaga nila, no? Pagkaganda-ganda talaga. Very elegant.
Miss kami to now, ngayon,
Ibalik ko muna kay Hindi ako makapag-focus sa ganda nila eh.
my realizations. Feeling ko po syempre super laki na nagbago with us, like compared dun trainees kami to now, ngayon, araw-araw na kami ganap, pero before, nagdadasal lang kami na sana magkaganap. Nakakamiss din pala yun, na nasa isang bahay lang, training ang buong araw, tapos after training, bonding lang, gano'n, kain. Pero ngayon, nakapag-bonding pa naman kami, pero sa work na lang.
Nag-iba na. Okay. What are your thoughts on Beanie representing OPM in the global stage? Parang
In
ano yan.
OPM, we just really want to continue our journey, and we just want to continue in spreading the Filipino music. And we are just a little bit pressured also because a lot of people are expecting a lot of things from us, and
Looking up to them, kaya medyo pressured sa kanila. Tapos kiliit-liit ng mga bagay-bagay na ginagawa nila, ginagawang issue, 'di ba? So nakaka-pressure 'yon kasi sila yung parang tinitingala ngayon.
it's okay because we use that pressure and we turn it into motivation for us to do much better and release better songs, and we hope that OPM will rise more internationally.
Yeah. Very well said. What was Beanie's life like after the release of your hit song Pantropico? I was gonna answer.
So much, and it changed drastically na hindi namin in-expect na magkakaroon ng ganitong change sa life namin. Like, wala talaga kaming ina-expect. Alam namin na Front Tropico is a good song, pero not to the point na magiging ganitong hit song talaga siya.
Yeah.
Ito talaga yung magdadala sa amin there. So we are really grateful that na napunta sa amin yung song. Like it's meant to happen. Like everything meant to happen. So we are really grateful that Pantropico is being loved by the nation. Parang naging summer, ano ba ito? Summer song na siya
Anyari kay Mika?
talaga ng Pilipinas. Like naging anthem na siya ng Pinas. So we are really grateful and we cannot wait to put out. Sorry. Kasi ako
Kasi napakalikot niya. So natatawa yung dalawa.
And we cannot wait to put out more songs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy anniversary, Pantropico!
Ooh!
Risky
Aniv na pala. Yeah, happy anniversary.
for us na mag-release ng summer song sa November kasi nga papasko tapos summer yung nirelease natin.
Yeah.
Parang good thing na din siya. Perfect timing siya kasi parang na-milk siya hanggang mag-summer. So,
Yes. Tama. What have been the changes in your dynamics and what has stayed the same? Galing din ng mga questions, no?
Pinaka nag-change po talaga sa aming
Oh.
videos is
O, di ba? Iba talaga si Stacy, no? Pink talaga yung niya na lipstick, no? Di talaga niya gusto na walang pink sa kanyang body.
of course our schedule. Super dami nang nangyayari sa amin and to the point na kunwari kinabukasan di namin alam kung anong gagawin namin. Pero we are very grateful kasi talagang binabless kami ni Lord and this is what we prayed for talaga. This is what we prayed for and super thankful kami kasi nangyari lahat ng to just because of that song, Pantropico. And Pantropico, yes. And super happy kami kasi talagang yung blooms namin, hindi kami iniiwan sa ere. Talagang nandyan sila palagi for us. And yeah.
When it comes to relationship naman po, before, ayun, sobrang nahihirapan kami na mag-adjust sa isa't isa, pakisamahan yung isa't isa, but now, as years goes by, ayan, sobrang naging kabit na kami and yun yung siguro strength din namin as a group kasi sobrang strong and we really help each other, motivate each other. Kaya maganda rin po siguro yung nailalabas naming craft.
Perfect.
Naiiyak pa ako sa katabi. Baliktad nga, pag nasa mood siya, wala tayo.
Iba talaga yung trip ni Mika, no?
First time ko nakita umiyak si Mika.
Oo? Umiyak siya sa joy. That's the tears of joy. When did it sink in that your group sink in?
Nung Rizal,
I'm sorry. Okay. When did it sink in that your group has become famous?
nag-sink in.
nung Rizal, naging parang procedure.
For you, dun nag-sink in.
And actually, na-feel ko siya nung Feb 14, yung parang around ABS. Daming blooms na pumila. And hindi tayo magpe-perform nun parang pumila lang sila just to see us. Pero ganun siya
Yun yung notice nun na magkakaroon ng ganong event. Kaya sobrang nagulat po kami na ganon kadami yung pumunta.
Oh.
Yung tala-arawan natin na song, Karera, Pantropico, kasi compared sa before na wish bus namin, like bilang mo lang talaga, mabibilang mo sa head count. Pero yung wish bus na yun, sobrang daming tao na kami, like talagang nagulat talaga kami, super na-overwhelmed.
Ako naman nung
Meron din ako. Siguro nung market.
Ako.
Oh.
Yung album launch namin for Tala Arawan. Tapos, hindi namin na-expect na sobrang mapupuno. Sobrang daming tao. So, exciting talaga nila.
Extra talaga. No? Anyways, what are you looking forward to accomplishing next as a team?
More songs for Beanie. Yun po talaga yung gusto
Parang hindi nagsasalita si Aya
namin. Mag-release pa ng super daming songs, English songs, Tagalog songs, rap, and hopefully yung mga dialect natin kasi 'di ba iba-iba kami ng dialect, iba-iba
Oh,
kami.
yes.
Maka-release kami
Yes. Baka naman, no, mag-release ng Bisaya si Aya at si Mika.
Kami ng ganong songs
And
in the
also-
future.
And also, different genres of
Yeah.
music.
And makapag-collab kami with other artists.
And Coachella.
And yes, Coachella.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, way to go. Who are the artists you want to collaborate? Oh, ultimate. Please share a message for the Blooms.
Hi, Blooms. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for the love, the support, the effort, the everything. We all appreciate everything you do for us, and we hope to see all of our Blooms soon sa mga hindi pa namin nami-meet. Love you!
Yay!
Yes, let's all be kind. Spread positivity. And dahil tayo lang magkakampi Blooms, and sana iwasan na natin yung mga fan wars. Thank you po!
Mga fan wars na hindi naman talaga na parang inevitable siya na mangyari. Kasi nga, meron at meron talaga yan. Anyways. Ganda. Ang ganda, no? Galing nilang model.
It's Joanna.
I'm Aloy.
Hi, Mika.
I'm Stacy.
I'm Gwen.
Yay! Okay. Okay, so that has been Metro Talks with #Beanie. Ang dami ng developments, progress. Makikita mo talaga that at least nasisink in na sa kanila na sikat na talaga sila, di ba? Unlike before, na parang hindi sila makapaniwala. Yung mga gusto pa nilang magawa, like exploring other genres, collaborating with Sarji, releasing songs na iba-ibang dialect. Sana naman mangyari yan, hopefully. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I'm gonna watch other Beanie related videos in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you. Bye-bye.